From our North Idaho newsroom tonight, a Sandpoint couple wanting to adopt their 2-year-old foster son says the state of Idaho has done them wrong. Anna and Lacey Blackford raised the toddler from birth and were willing and wanting to give him a permanent home. But to their shock, Idaho's Department of Health and Welfare denied their request, and they say their son was placed with total strangers. As KXLY4's Tanya Dahl shows us, the Blackford family is speaking up because they feel that the system needs to change.
Being a foster child is never easy. Try being a foster parent having to say goodbye.
What do you pack for your baby that you're sending to strangers? They told us to pack about a week's worth of things, and that's what we did.
Meet Joey. His real name isn't being used because he's still in state custody. Anna and Lacey Blackford took him in after learning about his biological mom and her drug addiction.
He was born with drugs in his system. He had cocaine and hydrocodone and marijuana in his system.
With 5 kids of their own, being foster parents came naturally.
I liked his trucks, cars. He loved his boots.
When Joey's biological parents lost their parental rights, the couple says caseworkers assured them they'd be able to adopt the little boy.
And they had us testify and asked us if we were willing to adopt him, and that was the plan, and we said yes, of course.
But the Blackfords didn't get the ending they'd hoped for. A 6-member committee decided Joey would be better off with another family. It came as a big shock to Anna and Lacey, the only parents Joey had ever known.
Part of it, of course, is our own emotions, but the big picture is his emotions. How does he feel right now? What is he thinking? Does he think that his parents just took him and dropped him off with strangers?
The Blackfords say a caseworker called one morning, said they'd have 3 hours to pack up Joey's things and take him to his new family.
I had to put him in their car and walk away.
Idaho Health and Welfare says it can't comment on specific cases. Officials say it's against policy to tell foster families why they weren't selected for adoption. The Blackfords say if they never get to see Joey again, they feel the system needs to change, and that they'd like to know why the little boy they came to love couldn't stay.
I can't put it to rest until I understand.
On Tuesday, the Blackfords are going to show up to court with support from family and friends. Their lawyer has filed a petition to help them adopt Joey. Reporting from Sandpoint, Tanya Dahl, KXLY4 HD News.